Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you CapCut AI Video Generator PC. Want to create AI generated videos on your PC using CapCut? Here's how to get started in under a minute. CapCut's desktop app, available for Windows and Mac OS, now features a powerful AI video generator that transforms your script into a complete video. With just a few clicks, you can generate visuals, captions, background music, voiceovers, and even AI avatars. First, make sure you've downloaded the latest version of CapCut. Once inside, look for the AI Video Maker option. Next to Create Project. From there, you can start from scratch or explore options like instant video, after video, or match media to script. You'll find a wide range of templates, scene layouts, voices, and caption styles, most of them free to use. While CapCut can automate editing, visuals and effects, and most important part is your script. You can either write your own or have CapCut generate one for you by filling in key points, tone, and video duration. Once your script is ready, simply sign in, select your visuals and music, and let the AI handle the rest. It's a smart and simple way to bring your ideas to life, no editing experience required. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.